Okay, here we go.
This is gonna be ugly.
Here's Daddy. See if I can get him.
Mommy!
He said, what? What? Got a little issue with the door here. There we go. Who is that? Who is that? You get the door jammed? There we go. Who is that? Is that the daddy? He did come home. He did. He did come home. There you go.
Hello, puppy.
There's his baby. That's a daddy. There we go. Okay, Rami's happy again.
Oh, hello, puppy.
There we go. Dad's not going anywhere now. That's that. He's not going to be able to go anywhere. And I'm sitting here with an armful of food, and Rami couldn't care less about that. Oh, there he goes.